Today, we're diving into AWeber, one of the longest-standing email marketing platforms available. If you're running a business or looking to build an audience, you've probably heard of AWeber. But is it actually worth it in 2025? Let's explore everything from setup to features, pricing, and overall user experience. Right from the start, AWeber's interface is simple but feels slightly outdated compared to more modern competitors. Setting up an account is straightforward, and you're guided through the basics, like importing your email list and creating your first campaign. One of AWeber's biggest selling points is its automation capabilities. While it does offer autoresponders, the automation workflow isn't as advanced as some other platforms, like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. You can set up basic email sequences, but if you need complex automation triggers, you might find it a bit limited. The email editor is easy to use, with a drag-and-drop builder that allows you to customize templates. However, the template designs feel somewhat generic, and if you want a more branded look, you might need to tweak them heavily. Deliverability is a strong point for AWeber. Ensuring your emails actually reach inboxes instead of spam folders. One area where AWeber falls short is pricing. It's not the most expensive email marketing tool, but for what it offers, some users might find it overpriced, especially since competitors provide more advanced features at similar price points. The free plan is a nice addition, but it's limited to 500 subscribers, which might not be enough for growing businesses. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. AWeber does a good job with integrations, offering connections with WordPress, Shopify, PayPal, and other platforms. If you're running an e-commerce store or blog, this can be useful for growing your email list. One downside is that some integrations require additional setup steps compared to other email marketing tools. Customer support is another strong point. AWeber provides live chat, phone, and email support, which is more than what many competitors offer. The response times are generally quick, and the support team is helpful. So, should you use AWeber? If you're looking for a reliable email marketing tool with good deliverability and strong customer support, it's worth considering. However, if you need more advanced automation or modern templates, you might want to explore alternatives. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews like this.